Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
This morning I spoke to the president of the Conference of Catholic Bishops in Malawi to express my condolences to him and the entire Catholic Church on the passing of His Holiness Pope Francis, who passed away in the Vatican after 12 years dedicated service to God and humanity as the 266th Pontiff. I know that many of you, both Catholics and non-Catholics, are deeply saddened by his passing because you admired and revered Pope Francis for his courageous and inspiring leadership in advocating for institutional reform to welcome sinners as a friend and fellow pilgrim, speaking out boldly against the violence and aggression of the strong against the weak, and being a living example of faith in Christ as our only hope of redemption. When I met him in the Vatican 9 months ago, he encouraged me to stay the course of my own fight for a better future for Malawi in the face of many global and climate forces that have militated against us in the past few years. I therefore join all of you in mourning his passing, and I offer you my deepest condolences as I pray that God himself will grant you the comfort you need. And may the Lord grant him eternal and peaceful rest, as well as a glorious reward for all the ways he served as a light of moral and spiritual clarity in a world of moral decadence and spiritual darkness. God bless you.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.